So nice, guys. As you can see, it's actually generating our diamonds and our coins, and it works amazing, guys. What is up, people, and welcome to my newest tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited diamonds and coins in my DLS 25 game. It's the latest and only working tutorial, guys, that you will see in this year. So you can do it with your Android and your iOS devices, and it works perfectly for both devices. So guys, before we begin with this tutorial, we just want to make sure that our low power battery mode is off. So let's go to settings and let's search for a battery. So we will off our battery saver mode if it's on, of course, and then we will go to Google or any browser you got, guys, and navigate to this website. It's called appsneak.com. You will find it easily and click on DLS 25, and then we will have to enter our user ID. If you don't know how to find your user ID, there is no problem, guys, because I will show you now. So go to your DLS 25, go to advanced, go to system settings and go copy info. Let's copy it. Let's get back to the tool. We'll close this tabs and we will paste it, guys. So when you paste it, it will automatically convert your user ID from DLS 25 and click continue, guys. So allow it up to 5 seconds to find your user account. As you can see, user found. Nice. So guys, it's connected to our user account, and we will select our coins and diamonds. I will select 9 million, guys, and I will click continue. So let's wait this third step, guys. So make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these tutorials and reviews of these football games. So yeah, guys, as you can see, we got API connected with DLS server and our account is connected, I mean user account. So we'll have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha. We will simply need to do this because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot and we will get redirected into manual verification, and is the last step until we get and receive our DLS 25 unlimited coins and diamonds, I mean 9 million as we ordered. So guys, we will have a list of 6 tasks that we will have. I mean, from this list you will have to complete only 2 tasks. So you can choose, it's by your choice, guys, what will you complete. It's just important to follow their instructions, so how to complete it. So I will complete first one, and this dice dreams and travel town. So basically click free, click go, and it will start downloading it from Google Play or App Store if you're using your iOS devices, guys. So it's everything free and safe, don't worry. From the official publishers, we'll just need to follow their instructions. As you can see, for this travel town I will have to install it and complete level 9, and for dice dreams I will have to download it, install, and then run and restore kingdom 5. That's what will I do now. I will download this and I will complete their instructions. So guys, see you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, as you can see, I have just downloaded this and I have just followed their instructions, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting, guys. I'm so excited. So I'm waiting for about 1 minute and nothing redirected me yet. So I'm still waiting, as I said, and it's still nothing happened. So as you can see, you completed 2 tasks successfully, message along this redirecting text, guys. Let's see together, will it actually redirect us or we will stay at this. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Coins and diamonds are on the way, guys. Our user ID, our coins and diamonds are sent. I'm so excited to test our DLS 25, to open it again and to see will we actually receive our coins and our diamonds. So still nice, guys. As you can see, it's actually generating our diamonds and our coins, and it works amazing, guys. As you can see, nice. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed and you found it helpful. So yeah, once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.